Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best non-stick pan for frying eggs. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Stainless 28-30 cm non-stick pan frying eggs. This stainless steel surface stands out as a durable and practical option for everyday egg frying, especially if you prefer cookware that balances longevity with performance. Built from 304 food-grade stainless steel, it offers strong resistance to corrosion and rust, making it suitable for long-term kitchen use. The embossed surface combined with nano-non-stick technology helps minimize sticking, which is crucial when cooking delicate foods like fried eggs. Unlike traditional coated pans, this design avoids chemical coatings, reducing concerns about harmful substances during cooking while also producing less smoke and requiring less oil. The multi-layer composite base ensures even heat distribution, so eggs cook uniformly without hot spots that can cause burning. Its 28-30 cm size provides enough surface area to cook multiple eggs at once, making it ideal for families. The flat bottom works efficiently on both gas and induction cooktops, adding versatility.
Number 2. German titanium non-stick pan frying eggs. This titanium non-stick pan offers a combination of lightweight handling and durability, making it a solid choice for frying eggs and other delicate foods. Its standout feature is the uncoated non-stick surface, which relies on proper cooking technique rather than chemical coatings to prevent sticking. When preheated correctly, it performs efficiently, allowing eggs to release cleanly without tearing. The fish scale hammer pattern not only adds a unique visual design, but also helps improve heat distribution across the surface, reducing uneven cooking. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, it offers flexibility for different kitchen setups. The pan is particularly suitable for users willing to follow proper preheating and heat control methods, as this enhances its natural non-stick performance. It works well for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or cooking meats like steak, making it a versatile addition to your cookware collection. Cleaning is relatively easy since food residue does not strongly adhere when used correctly.
Number 3. Household Steak Non-Stick Pan Frying Eggs. Designed for everyday cooking, this household non-stick pan combines simplicity with functionality, making it a reliable choice for frying eggs. Constructed with a titanium-based surface, it provides a non-stick experience without relying heavily on synthetic coatings, which appeals to users seeking a more natural cooking approach. The pan's Nordic-style design gives it a clean and modern appearance, while the solid construction ensures it can handle regular kitchen use. One of its key advantages is the inclusion of a tempered glass lid, which helps retain heat and moisture, useful when cooking eggs that require gentle steaming or covering. It's compatible with both gas and induction stoves, making it adaptable to various cooking environments. It heats evenly, allowing eggs to cook consistently without burning or sticking excessively. Its eco-friendly design and chemical-free composition add an extra layer of confidence for health-conscious users. Although it is marketed for steak as well, it performs particularly well with eggs due to its balanced heat control and smooth cooking surface. Easy maintenance and straightforward usability make it suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks.
Number 4. Hammered Cooktop Non-Stick Pan Frying Eggs. This hammered non-stick pan offers a blend of durability and modern design, making it an appealing choice for frying eggs and other everyday dishes. Constructed with 304 stainless steel and enhanced with a titanium coating, it provides a sturdy cooking surface that resists wear while maintaining non-stick efficiency. The hammered texture is not just decorative, it contributes to improved heat distribution, helping eggs cook evenly without sticking to specific areas. Its compatibility with both gas and induction stoves ensures flexibility in different kitchen setups. The included glass lid adds convenience, allowing you to monitor cooking without lifting the cover and losing heat. This is especially helpful when preparing eggs that require gentle cooking or slight steaming. The eco-friendly build and absence of harmful chemicals make it a safer option for regular use. The pan's structure feels solid in hand, and it is designed to withstand repeated heating cycles without warping.
Cleaning is straightforward, as the non-stick surface reduces residue buildup.
Number 5. Cauldron-style non-stick pan frying eggs. This cauldron-style non-stick pan is a versatile and budget-friendly option for frying eggs and handling basic cooking tasks. Designed for general use on both gas and induction cooktops, it offers flexibility for different kitchen setups. The non-stick surface helps prevent eggs from sticking, allowing for smoother flipping and easier serving, which is especially important for delicate cooking. Its eco-friendly construction and absence of high-concern chemicals make it suitable for those prioritizing safer cookware choices. While it does not include a lid, its open design works well for quick frying tasks where moisture retention is not necessary. The pan heats adequately for everyday cooking, though it performs best when used with moderate heat to maintain its non-stick efficiency. Its lightweight build makes it easy to handle, particularly for quick breakfast preparation. Cleaning is simple as food residue does not cling strongly to the surface. Although it may not have the advanced multi-layer construction of higher-end models, it still delivers dependable results for basic egg frying and light cooking needs. Oh, and that wraps up the top 5 best non-stick pan for frying eggs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.